Capacity planning is the process of weighing supply against demand. Capacity planning is a higher level task that assesses demand and help you understand how much work your team should be taking on over a given time period. Resource forecasting or demand planning are other terms that describe capacity planning. Goal of capacity planning is to figuring out the realistic capacity of the shop floor to meet the demand for product within a certain period to increase your profit and minimize your cost. If you are running a production line day to day, you are going to constantly run into problem or even completely stop production from unforeseen issues. That's why it's extremely important to work out on your rough cut capacity planning that will help you convert your master production schedule into production requirements for key resources such as direct labor and machine time.
If this clip got your gears turning, then you're going to love the full video on our channel, 10 minutes for supply chain, links in the description below. Don't miss it. Give this video a big thumbs up, drop a comment to share your thoughts, and don't forget to share it with your team. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon for weekly breakdowns of the global supply chain. Join membership button, become a member for exclusive content, early access, and global logistics insights. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay informed, stay ahead, and always supply smart.